You will need to find a pattern or create your own pattern. They're easily found online or in woodworking books. This is a pattern that I've created to make a bowl. After doing the rough cut of the edges of your pattern, you will need to drill pilot holes in the corners so that it hides when you cut it out. You also need a real small scroll saw blade. This is a skip tooth blade and it will cut corners very nicely. After all the pieces have been cut out, you will need to sand the edges to help hide the pilot holes in the pieces of wood that you use for the blade. Okay, I haven't glued it or stained it yet. I'm going to stain it first, piece by piece, and then I will let that dry and then glue it together and clamp it and let it dry overnight. Once the stain is applied, it is time to stack and glue the pieces to form the bowl. Once the glue has dried, you've now made a bowl. This bowl has two different colors of stain. I will put one more coat on it, but it will be a clear coat to help protect the finish.